Today's video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how you can correct a mistake made during a sales transaction on the XE-A203 or 206 registers. In this video I'm obviously using the 203 model, but the process is the same on the 206. So when you're in the register position processing a sales transaction, obviously people make mistakes. Providing you've not cashed the sale off, then it's possible to correct pretty much any mistake. So there's 4 different levels of mistake correction you can do on the Sharp tills. The first one is simply if you've typed in the wrong amount prior to pressing a department button. That's easy to resolve. So for example, if you typed in £1 and you wanted to type in 199, providing you haven't pressed the department button, so you haven't assigned the amount of money to one of the sales departments, then you can simply press the CL clear button here and it'll just clear the entry, allowing you to re-enter the number and then assign it to a department. If you've made a slightly more significant mistake, so you've put the amount of money into a department and you've realised that that is an error, so on this sale here I've got 199 in department 1 and I've just also popped in 199 into department 2. If the last item entered is incorrect, then you simply press the void button here, so it's the pink button here with the infinity symbol and DC on it. You press that once and that removes the last item from the transaction. So if we just cash that sale off, we can just have a quick look at what's happened there. We popped in 199 into our VAT sales, 199 into our reduced VAT, and then we voided the 199 in reduced VAT, giving us a subtotal of 199, and the sale was cashed off. So to correct the last item entered, you simply press the void button. That works the same on PLUs as well. So for example, if we had £1 in department 1, £1 in department 2, and then sold PLU number 1, if that was a mistake you would simply press the void key, and again that is voided from the sale. So it gets a bit more complicated if you've entered lots of items and then you've realised the mistaken entry is not the last one, so you can't just keep pressing the void button to get rid of the last item until you get to the one you want to void. The process is slightly different, so we'll pop in some sales now. 199 department 1, 199 department 2, 199 department 3. If we've realised now, or the customer's changed their mind possibly, that the first line of that sale is incorrect, obviously we can't just press the void button. What we have to do is enter the amount, so it's 199. Then we press the void key, so that infinity symbol button here. Then you enter the department, so that has voided the 199 into the VAT sales department 1 entry. Again, it's slightly different if you've got a PLU that's incorrect. So if we add a couple of PLUs to the sale, PLU 1, PLU 2, if you wanted to remove PLU 1, so again it's not the last item, the way you avoid a PLU is you enter the PLU number, so number 1 in this case, then hit the void key and then hit the PLU sub button. That gets you to the point where you can subtotal, cash the sale off, and then we can take a look at what's happened on there. So we've got the 2 voids. We voided the VAT sales, it was the first item entered, 199, then the reduced VAT, then department 3, and then we were able to void VAT sales even though it wasn't the most recent line entered, and then PLU 1, PLU 2, and then we voided PLU 1. There's a final level you can kind of mistake you can clear, which is called a subtotal void, or in other words a cancel sale effectively. So if you've entered a lot of items and you realise there's either too many mistakes or the customer has changed their mind, or there's a few mistakes and you want to start the sale again, then to do a subtotal void you simply hit the #TMST key over here. So this is the UK version of the machine, so this is our subtotal button. You press that once, it gives you the subtotal of the sale. You then go back to that infinity symbol button over here, the void button, and then you press subtotal again, and that does what's called a subtotal void. which effectively cancels the sale. So if you've got the receipt switched on, you still get a little printout of what's gone on, but none of those items will be sold by the till and appear on the end of day report. Okay, I hope that video's been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the 203 and 206 and plenty of other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.